So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are working on our new house. We are in the process of renovating and flipping a house. My brother's business, the one that I work for, recently acquired the house. It's really close to where we currently live. It's about half mile away or so. But the way that this house is set up, the bedrooms, the amount of bathrooms, and just the fact that the house is going to be brand new when we're done with it. We're also building a garage onto it to accommodate more of my workshop. It's just really going to suit us for the needs that we have as a family of four. We love our house that we're currently in, but at the same time, what we would wind up with in total renovation costs at that house would greatly exceed what we're going to gain here. So I'll take you inside. I did shoot some video earlier this week of putting in the beam, as well as a couple of other things, but we can kind of go room to room, show you what we're in the middle of. So I'll turn the camera around. This room here got closed off from where the original kitchen was. We're going to use it as mostly kind of like a den, office space, that type of thing. Barn door slider will go here, so I've choked and framed the opening down a little bit. Then you come into what'll be the new kitchen living space. This is where you saw me installing the beam earlier this week. We closed off that part of what was the formal dining or den area. So to make the kitchen bigger, this will be the pantry. We'll have cabinetry probably going from corner to corner. 8-foot island out here goes into the living space. Fully functional wood fireplace. Of course, all the paneling will be painted. So in the process today of doing some work, there was some water damage in here. It's kind of an odd setup. Laundry is in the hall bathroom, but I may move it at some point, but for the time being, we're just going to leave it. I do have a little bit of joist damage here in the bathroom, so I'm going to wind up sistering onto the sides of these 4 joists, which I'll shoot video of while I'm doing it. And then I got to do a little bit of repair work on the van. We got kids playing in here. I've got one of my big helpers in here taking up tack strip. Say hi. This is the master. I'll be doing some video footage in here as well. Fully changing out shower valve. Be doing a full walk-in shower here. That has to be drywall. Yeah, you can take the threshold up. 2 other bedrooms, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. This house is really just pretty much everything we need, nothing we don't as far as our current accommodations. But we really like the location, we like the house. It'll all be painted outside. Wife's working on cleaning out the shed. So just kind of wanted to share some of what we're in the middle of currently. Like I said, I've got some footage of installing this beam earlier this week. This is a 22-foot opening. We brought in the guy who actually drew our parents' house, and he gave me a load calculation as far as what we needed to span this opening. Like I said, it's 22 foot based on the roof pitch, 30-year snow load. We installed a 2-ply 18-inch beam, 22 foot long, and then we used rafter hangers and hung all of the ceiling joists back to the main beam, so it's all completely flush. And then he's also the one that's drawing up the 25 by 30 garage that'll be attached to our one single car attached that we have currently. So I'll kind of show you where the new garage is going to go. This is the current single attached, but with my channel and the shop and that type of stuff, there will be a 25 by 30 garage being attached off here. So I'll shoot some video of that as well once we start some of the build process on the new garage. I had footage earlier this week. I've recently been getting over being sick. We came off a vacation last week, so it's been a long week of trying to continue to get things done here, as well as stuff at our old house and getting things boxed up, keeping grass cut here and kids, and just the typical life stuff. So I wanted to share with you, like I said, what kind of where we're at currently with everything, and kind of bring you up to speed. But I'll be shooting plenty of video in here on the other repairs and renovations. I know several people probably want to see what I have to do as far as those floor joists, and getting the new master bathroom renovated, all the other things as well. So we appreciate you being here. I'll include some footage of this previous week of installing the beam in this video, so you'll be able to see some of that. But if you've got any questions, like I said, just comment down below. If you're thinking about doing a beam install, kind of like we did here, there should be people that, you know, live locally in your area. We have a home store that we deal with currently, that we get a lot of our lumber packages through and stuff. That's actually where the gentleman works that gave me the load calculation and is drawing up our garage. So we appreciate you being here as always. You know, thanks for your support, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. Have a good day. What are you doing out there?